Here's a quick tutorial on how to log into your account to submit your passport information and your emergency contact details. Start by heading over to GradCity.com, then hit Login, select if you're a US or Canadian traveler, enter your customer number, your last name, and log in. Once you're logged into your account, make sure you're on the Contact Details tab and double check that every single field is listed with the correct information. And once you've reviewed entering in all of your personal information, emergency contact, and information that's listed on your passport, click Save Information. A pro tip is to always double check to ensure that the information was saved. You'll know that the information is saved because you'll see it displayed here. If for some reason the fields are empty, it means that you did not save the information correctly and you'll need to re-enter it in. All right, that's it for now. We look forward to traveling with you soon. Bye.